Hey, it's Mike from We Build Stuff, and here we have update number 2 on the Edison electric vehicle project. Now, the kids have been busy and they got some designs, so watch and see what they were working on for this one. So the kids came up with a cool idea of, how's the battery going to look on the back end and also hide all those cables. That's how big the battery is. This is how big that space is that we just put that bar, and maybe a box that can hide it. Instead of just a blank piece of metal, why not add some stuff? Since we're the Vikes, let's call ourselves the EV or E-Vikes. Now the guys put it into sheet cam. This generates the G-code from the drawing. And now that's into Fast Cut CNC's Mach 3. All right, go left. You're going too far to the right. Back this way. Back that way. Yeah, click that. That zeroes it, so now it thinks it's in the bottom left corner. Tristan, now that we're going to do a dry run, I want you to press run, and it's going to do a dry run of our program. Let's go see what it does. Doing a dry run enables us to know that this isn't going to leave the metal while it's cutting. So we're going to let it run through the entire G-code. All right, hit run. We paused the program to pull that out because it fell crooked. That would have hit the cutter head. Or cutting tip. The plasma thing. Electric bikes. That'll hold a battery, and nobody's gonna see that at all because the battery's on top, but that's okay. Everything to be perfect, but that's okay. A little grinding and paint will do. And yeah, maybe they had their heat up a little high and burned through a few parts, but that's okay. These guys are learning, and it's metal, so we can just weld over it, grind it, and make it look good. Their goal next week that I'm gonna task them with is how are they gonna connect this to the rest of the body? Some sort of pivot thing that's maybe C-shaped here and C-shaped here with a bolt down the middle. And then where are they going to be putting the shock to go from here to here? We're going to have them design some kind of mount for the shock so it can bolt in and out as it comes up. And where is it going to go? Is it going to be based here, here? That's going to depend on the length of the shock. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, the ground.
Make sure you edit. Good. Make sure you edit that out.
No, I'm keeping that in. The electric bikes that aren't grounded.
All right, here we go.
So there's that quick update video. The back end is basically done. In order to hold the battery down there, the kids are thinking of adding some kind of straps or something over
top. We'll figure that out later, but for now we know that it can't jiggle left, right, forward, back. I mean, it can still go up and down, but we're not going to worry about that yet. Next update is going to be the kids working on the rest of the frame. Where are they going to sit? How far their hands are going to go out to hold, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Some kind of steering. 10 and 2, kids. And where their feet going to go for the acceleration and the brake. It's not a gas pedal, but we can call it a gas pedal if you hear me say that. Stay tuned for update number 3 coming up.